Welcome back to Week 1, Unit 2, Ariba Solutions in the Digital Economy. If you have not seen it, Ariba President Alex Atzberger presented in another course how Ariba fits into the digital economy in which we live today. Over the past 40 years, we have seen a very rapid advancement in the use of technology in business. We have moved from writing letters and mailing them through the Postal Service to email and text. The computer has gone from a big box sitting on your desk taking up space to something more powerful that you can hold in the palm of your hand. We have migrated away from manual processes to technology-led business collaboration with minimal human involvement. We have seen it every day in our personal and work lives. Think about all the devices you have connected to the internet, how many social media text and chat applications you use every day. Now look at your family and your business networks. That's a lot of devices. It includes not just your cell phones or computers or tablets, but also it's the gaming consoles and the televisions, and even automobiles today are equipped with networking devices. There are more devices connected to the internet today than there are people in the world. Now with all of that, think about how you manage buying goods and services electronically. Not just from your personal standpoint, but from a business viewpoint as well. Everything is about buying quickly, efficiently, and simply. The world has continued to change, and so have business challenges and opportunities. Today's world is digital and networked. The pace of data generation is accelerating. In the last 2 years, it said over 90% of the world's data has been generated. Over the next 2 years, there will be a 40% growth in the adoption of business networks. And by the end of the decade, over 212 billion things from cars to heavy equipment to consumer appliances will all be connected to the internet. By 2020, there will be 9 billion mobile users in the world. Last year alone, 51% of workloads were processed in the cloud. That amount will only continue to grow. Companies have worked hard at being digitally connected within their businesses, but they still have a long way to go to get connected to other companies. Over the next few years, businesses will connect in the same way people have been connected on social networks. Believe it or not, more than 80% of purchase orders and invoices and other transactions will still take place offline, involving lots of paper and people and inefficiency. By some estimates, this inefficiency can cost businesses as much as $650 billion per year in missed sales opportunities, higher operating and supply chain costs, and slower cash management and cash flows. Digital networks allow you to do new things, to reimagine your business, to add new services. In fact, Ariba is already delivering on it, connecting you to a digital marketplace through which you can discover, connect, and collaborate better than ever before. All of this starts in the procurement organization. Procurement has evolved from a cost-saving function within the organization to a more strategic relationship both internally and with suppliers. But CPOs need help to navigate a changing environment. Competing pressures on procurement organizations include economic volatility, increased globalization, a focus on risk and regulatory changes. Also, there's continuous pressures on margins and new business models such as outsourcing and the reliance on big data. As the leader in cloud-based procurement and invoice solutions and business networks, Ariba provides everything you need to digitize your commerce activities and simplify the way you operate. It helps facilitate or eliminate all the hassles of paper, the phone calls, the manual acts you perform each day to find new suppliers or business opportunities. It provides you a place to manage orders, collaborate with customers and partners, or even just get paid. Every company needs to be able to work with suppliers in a completely different way in a digital economy. Companies cannot manage suppliers based on cost and price or service alone any longer. Suppliers are also looking at the value of a network economy. Ariba provides benefits to both sides of the buy-sell organization. Benefits include lower cost, greater efficiency, and transparency into the order process. With better data accuracy, businesses can see an improved working capital, whether through increased sales, cash management. Overall, you can see an increase in customer retention to help your customers sustain your procurement and sales goals. All of the Ariba solutions come with a network of suppliers and procurement providers to help support the spend and the overall process in a digital manner. We are the only company that can deliver on this. Our vision for business collaboration is threefold. First, there's an end-to-end integration throughout the enterprise. Business collaboration starts with automating, digitizing, and standardizing your own internal processes to meet the requirements of the future. Secondly, to have a collaborative and highly connected network with broad range of suppliers and partners with the ability to be category specific. There is not just one single way to collaborate with business partners. Business collaboration takes e-business beyond simply sending a PO and receiving an invoice. And third, having scale and breadth that extends to the benefits of new categories of spend across industries and regions. It's not a one-size-fits-all environment. Collaborative commerce also means extending to the benefits of the business network to new categories of spend. Only on Ariba network, powered by HANA, can meet the above criteria to facilitate that collaboration. Now, we have seen from Ariba can help your company drive results in the digital economy. It's time to look at the solutions. In the three main areas of plan, buy, and pay, we will look at an overview of each solution and how they closely integrate data with workflows within the procurement process. To give you a quick preview, enjoy this closing video presented around how plan, buy, and pay can work for you. Thank you.